How high will Kaspa go in the 2024 bull market? In this video I share my Kaspa price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis. And we will have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Kaspa to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Kaspa is on place 38 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of 2.5 billion US dollars. The coin is existent since 2022 and we built the all-time highs in the late 2023. And in 2023 the price from Kaspa increased about 3,200%, and that's a very crazy price increase from this coin. So Kaspa was one of the best performing altcoins in 2023, and especially in the last weeks we saw this crazy bullish explosion. But after this bullish explosion we are now seeing this consolidation and retracement, but now on the daily chart we are seeing slightly higher highs with the body closes, and we are also seeing many wicks right here, and these massive wicks are always a sign that we can move to the opposite direction, because under this lows there's much liquidity, and with this candle we moved to the downside but then closed bullish, and that shows that the bulls are in control, and now the chance is also high that we can see even higher prices for Kaspa. But what could be potential price targets for the bull run? Again, we are on place 38 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.5 billion, and we have 77% circulating supply, which is a very good sign. So there's just 20% missing to the maximum supply of Kaspa. And if we are now comparing the market cap to other cryptocurrencies, if we have a look at the top 10 of all cryptocurrencies, we have Dogecoin with $11.6 billion market cap. So this would be around 4 to 5x to the market cap of Dogecoin right now. And if enough money comes into the crypto market from retailers and big institutions, then the chance is high that the market cap of all cryptocurrencies will increase. On this chart you can see the total crypto market cap of all cryptocurrencies, and we are right now in this bullish trend, and the chance is high that we will reach even higher prices. And if the bull run really starts and if enough money comes into the market, then the chance is high that we will reach even higher prices for the total crypto market cap. And if the total crypto market cap would increase, the top 10 cryptocurrencies would also increase in the market cap, so the potential for coins like Kaspa is even higher. And Kaspa is a very great project with very nice fundamentals, and I think that the chance is high that we will reach a 90 cents price target. And if we would reach this kind of price target, it would be a potential of 700% for Kaspa. And I think this would be a very great deal for Kaspa. Of course guys, this is just an orientation and a potential price target for the bull run, but Kaspa saw this bullish explosion and I think the potential is even higher, and I think this is a very realistic target for the next bull run if enough money comes into the crypto market and if enough money comes also into Kaspa. So we looked for potential price targets for the next bull run, and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Kaspa. And as I said in the beginning, I think the chance is high that we now can continue this bullish momentum to the upside. So I think these prices around here are a great chance to enter a hodl position for the long term, because after this explosive push to the upside, we then saw this correction to the downside, and we are now longer consolidating in this area, and we are seeing slightly higher highs with the body candles, and the price is also rejecting multiple times in this area. And if you're not invested in Kaspa yet, I think this price area is a great chance. But if we're seeing lower prices from now, then the next really interesting area is this order block right here, because this daily order block was the beginning of this explosive push to the upside. So if we are coming back into this order block, and if we are not breaking it to the downside and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a very great chance to buy some coins for the long term. And from this prices to 90 cents, we would have a potential of nearly 1000%. So this would be even a greater deal for Kaspa. So I think this area is a great technical zone to buy some coins for your long-term hodl portfolio. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Kaspa, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for Kaspa. If you want to see my Fetch AI price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.